Alright, project update. We are switching to SQLite database for storing all the goodies in it, so I'm going to get rid of a whole bunch of JSON files. Right into the JSON files, of course, is very fast, but the thing is that you have to write the whole file if you just want to change a little value somewhere, and there is a chance that you may end up corrupting the file, but the relational database seems to work out better. So I have changed it. Now we have database implementation, and I so far converted the material data access object, and we're using LDBI version 3 for Hibernate-like access, but without all the Hibernate overhead. And I have changed the locations. Let's fire up our Indy Copilot, and I'm just gonna fly around, scan things, navigate, and use the app.
Systems online.
Right, let's get out of here.
Frameshift drive charging.
Let's do some testing, shall we? Make sure there are no bugs introduced with the last update.
Let's run a quick test to spot any bugs from the update. Hey gal, we're cruising through hyperspace headed to BYO Year Charlie Quebec Golf Delta 10-139 and F-class fuel star. No traffic or incidents so far. A was previously discovered, but not mapped.
So we're not first here. How sad.
Awe count happens sometimes. More stars ahead for us to claim.
Alright, let's go to the next stop.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey gal, we're cruising through hyperspace to BYY Your Alpha Mike Quebec Bravo 46-0. It's an M-class fuel star.
Are we first here?
Congrats, you're the first here. Say again?
Okay, open FSS, please. Hold on a second.
Sure, take your time, Count. Hey, my lord. 2 biosignals on 1E in BYOE Alpha Mike Quebec Bravo 46-0. Hey, Crondor. 2 biosignals on 1D in BYOE Alpha Mike Quebec Bravo 46-0.
Run the biome analysis on the 2 planets that have biosignals on them.
Analyzing planetary and biome data. Stand by. Hey count for 1D, Funticulua electricae. For 1E, Funticulua electricae.
System scan complete.
Open local map, please. Optimize our approach speed, please. Alright, speed -3.
Surface scanned by 50%. Surface scan complete.
Hey count, surface scan complete. Efficiency target met. Hey count, biological signals spotted. 2 exobiology hits, bacterium and Funticulua. Average payout 12 million credits, plus 47,500,000 first discovery bonus.
Orbital flight engaged.
Alright, let's go down there and check it out.
Count, entering orbit for 1D. Surface gravity 0.05 g. Atmosphere argon. 11 materials detected details on request. Surface temp 56 Kelvin, minus 217 Celsius. Tidally locked.
What's the top 4 materials on this planet?
Analyzing geological data. Stand by. Count. Top materials on this rock. Sulfur at 27%, carbon at 22%, phosphorus at 14%, iron at 12%.
How much iron do we have? Check our materials log. Deploy landing gear.
Accessing materials data. Stand by.
Drop the landing gear.
Say again?
Deploy landing gear. There we go.
Landing gear deployed.
Landing gear already deployed. Touchdown.
Deploy SRV.
Low gravity warning.
Turn off the lights, please. Holy crap, it's listing the whole entire database. Stop.
Systems offline.
So I did make a mistake. Somewhere in the code. To check that.
Systems online.
Check our materials log. Tell me how much iron we have.
Accessing materials data. Stand by. We have 297 units of iron out of 300.
How much sulfur do we have?
Accessing materials data. Stand by. Count. We got 288 units of sulfur out of 300. Hey, count. Organic sample detected. Genus Fonticulua. Species Campestris. First out of 3 required. Need 500 meters between samples. Vista Genomics pays 1 million credits, plus 4 million bonus for first discovery. Count, we're far enough for the next biosample. Hey, count. Sample collected for Fonticulu. We're far enough to take the next biosample. Krondor, organic scans for Fonticulua are complete.
Enter the next fleet carrier destination, please.
Hey Count, carrier jump scheduled to byway your Alpha Delta Echo Bravo 53-0, November 19th at 1852.
Requesting extraction. Retract the landing gear, please. Enter Super Cruise.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1, engage.
Select the next system en route. And let's get out of here.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace to Bioyear Lima Echo Lima Bravo 49-1, M-Class Fuel Star, traffic super light, 1 total visit, no recent action, and 0 deaths. A was previously discovered, but not mapped.
Alright, let's go to the next destination.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're jumping through hyperspace to BYOE your Whiskey Foxtrot Bravo 52-1, an M-Class Fuel Star. Congrats, you're the first here.
Open FSS.
System scan complete.
Open contacts. Jump.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Krondor, we're zipping through hyperspace to Boeoi, your Alpha Delta Dash Echo Bravo 53-0 and M-Class Fuel Star. No traffic or incidents. Congrats, you're the first here.
What is the ETA on our fleet carrier?
Analyzing fleet carrier telemetry. Stand by. ETA's 10 minutes count.
Open FSS.
System scan complete.
Open galaxy map, please.
Route set.
Jump.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace to Boeoi your Zulu Victor Charlie Charlie 26-1. It's a T Tauri star. Heads up, not a fuel star. Traffic and deaths are 0 so far. Congrats, you're the first here.
Open FSS.
System scan complete.
Yeah, no luck finding anything interesting today. Open the galaxy map, please.
Route set.
Jump.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace to buy while said. Your Whiskey Dash Foxtrot Bravo 52-2, an M-class fuel star. No traffic or deaths reported.
What is the ETA on a fleet carrier?
Analyzing fleet carrier telemetry. Stand by. Congrats, you're the first here. Hey Krondor, our fleet carrier ETA is 5 minutes.
Open FSS. Damn. Oh, we are discovering a bunch of ice balls lately.
Yeah, we've been stumbling on ice worlds non-stop lately. Count A3 shows 1 biological signal and 2 geological. Count 1 biosignal on A2 in Bioi, your Whiskey Dash Foxtrot Bravo 52-2.
Run the biome analysis on the planets with the live signals.
Analyzing planetary and biome data. Stand by. Hey Krondor, A2's biome points to Funticulua, icy world, neon atmosphere, 0.39 G, 40 Kelvin, negative 233 Celsius, no volcanism. A 3 matches Fumarola, same setup, but with minor nitrogen magma volcanism.
Alright,
Hey Count,
open galaxy map.
Your Whiskey Dash Foxtrot Bravo 52-2 has 1 biological signal. Route set. Route set.
Alright, let's get out of here and win the galactic lottery, huh?
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace, headed to Bioyo, your Bravo Delta Dash Echo, Bravo 53-0, M star, prime for fuel scooping. Congrats, you're the first here.
Scaling complete.
Open FSS.
System scan complete.
Shut down the systems.
Shutting down systems.
Alright, let's see. Location. Data. Data, where are you at? There you are. Reload, just in case. Refresh, reload. Yeah, it seems to be recording it in JSON. Oops, wrong button. Because I already had it running. That's okay.
Systems online.
Incoming message.
Yeah.
Route set.
Jump. Transition to hyperspace.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace toward BioYear Alpha Delta Echo Bravo 53 0, an M-class fuel star. No traffic or incidents so far.
Fuel swapping. Fuel swapping complete.
Exit Super Cruise.
Welcome home to Lone Wolf Crondor.
This is Flight Control. Obey standard flight practices near the carrier, Commander. That's a negative on your request. You need to move within 7.5 kilometers. That's an affirmative. See you soon, Commander.
Data available for market.
Docking successful. Command shutdown. We've got you, Commander.
Hey Krondor, sold data from 15 star systems. Bonus 80,250 credits. Total sale 2,836,374 credits.
No gravity. Magnetic contact active.
Can I be of assistance? You wish to contribute to Vistagena? Vista strives to learn everything it can about the cosmos. Can I help you with anything else? Vista thanks you for your contribution.
Hey Count. We sold 6 biosamples at market 37125000736. Nabbed 69,500,000 credits total from Fonticulua campestris amethystine green, Stratum paleus emerald, Tussock albata yellow, Bacterium vesicula red, and Electricae pluma red.
Back. It's empty today in here. Look at that. Nobody's at the bar.
Yeah, quiet spot today, Count. Nobody crowding the bar.
Cargo hold at maximum capacity.
Right.
Voice input disabled.
Question is, should I continue to the center? Should I go
All
to the
right,
side?
Count.
Or should I return back to the bubble? Enter the next fleet carrier destination, please. Oh, that was our fleet carrier destination.
Say again?
Calculate the fleet carrier route, please.
Accessing Spanch. Stand by. Calculated fleet carrier route to Stumier KMWC 18086. 42 jumps, with a total of 3,809 tons of fuel required. When you are ready, open the galaxy map from Fleet Carrier panel. Select the text field and ask me to enter next carrier jump location.
Enter the next fleet carrier jump location, please. Alright, and it
Voice
still
input
takes me
disabled.
to the same spot, so I need to make sure that it probably did not delete the current location when we got here. So I need to check that part of code to figure out what's going on now. That will be all transferred into the SQLite, of course, but for now it is still in the session, which means I can access it just by reading. Stop service.
Systems offline.
Okay, where's fleet carrier route? There it is. So fleet carrier route is the next thing I'm going to transfer into the database, because this leg number 2. Yeah, leg number 2 should have been deleted, and it didn't happen. Bug. Okay, I'll fix it at the same time as I refactor this code to use database instead. Might as well, since I'm here, delete this node. Points. 6. Still kosher, good.
Systems online.
Activate. Let's go and explore. Maybe we'll find Earth-like planet or some planet with life on it, finally.
We are mass locked. FTL is not available.
I know we are mass locked. We will be mass unlocked in no time here, don't worry.
Got it, Count. Mass lock's a drag, but we'll shake it off soon.
And you're clear.
Enter Super Cruise, please.
Control, signing off.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Jump.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace. 2 Waioa Year Romeo Oscar Dash Zulu Delta 13-174. F-class fuel star. 1 total visitor. 0 this week or day. No deaths logged. A was previously discovered, but not mapped.
Enter the next fleet carrier destination, please.
Hey Count, carrier jumped to Lysuch India Papa Dash Yankee Bravo 14-3 Alpha scheduled for November 19th at 1923.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace to Waioa Whiskey November Tango Bravo 58-6. It's an L-class star. Heads up, not a fuel star. No traffic or incidents reported. Congrats, you're the first here.
How far are we from the bubble?
Analyzing travel telemetry. Stand by. Local coordinates are not available.
Open FSS.
Crondor, Waioa Whiskey November Tango Bravo 58-6's D2 has 2 biosignals. Count, D1 has 2 biosignals.
Change voice to Steve, please.
iVoice set to Steve.
Change personality to casual.
System scan complete.
Open local map, please. Run biome analysis on planet Delta 1.
Analyzing planetary and biome data. Stand by. Count. Biome scan on D1 shows one bio signal. Matches Tubis and Frutexa. Ammonia Atmo, 0.18 G, 172 Kelvin, negative 101 Celsius. No volcanism. High metal content body.
Optimize our approach speed, please.
Surface scanned by 50%. Surface scan complete.
Surface scan complete. Count. Excellent efficiency. Only 2 probes used out of 4. Hey count. Signals found. Biological type. 2. Exobiology. Alioida and Fungoida. Average payout 9,500,000 credits. Plus 38 million first discovery bonus.
Orbital flight engaged.
Hey count. Entering orbit for D1. Gravity 0.18 G. Ammonia atmosphere. 11 materials detected. Details on request. Surface temp 172 Kelvin. About minus 101 Celsius. Tidally locked.
Name the 3 least common materials on this planet.
Analyzing geological data. Stand by. Count. The 3 least common materials are yttrium, niobium, and cadmium.
And the 3 most common materials on this planet?
Analyzing geological data. Stand by. Count. The top 3 materials here are iron at about 21%, nickel at 16%, and sulfur at 15%.
Switch hard to the analysis mode, please.
Say again?
Switch to analysis mode.
Say again?
Alright, I need to check that command. Deploy landing gear.
Say again?
Landing gear deployed.
Hey count. New codex entry. Biological and geological Alioida laminiae, SAGE. Samples 150 meters apart. Voucher 50,000 credits. Vista Genomics projects 6,648,480 credits for 3 samples, plus 26,593,921st discovery bonus. Hay count, codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological. Fungoida satesis, orange. Distance between samples, 300 meters. Vista Genomics payment, 2,845,975 credits for a complete set of 3, plus 11,383,900 credit first discovery bonus. Hey Krondor, codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological. Fungoida satesis, orange. Touchdown!
Deploy SRV.
Low gravity warning.
Turn off the headlights, please.
Systems offline.
Right, I wanted to test the navigation, but all the samples are so close that there's really no point. Because I can just go and scan them, but... what was that class? Jump completed subscriber, right? Yes. Location. Those are still recorded into the JSON. Why is the JSON file does not contain the proper location information? I guess I'm in the middle of refactoring the code, so chances are I'll screw shit up. So current location is 17. 17. That seems to be correct. Nico, blah blah blah. SSA signals biological, yes. Alloyoid and fungoid, yes, that's correct. Detected signals, the stones that we just scanned. But we have no coordinates. Why do we have no coordinates? CD games journal minus L. Copy this last file, copy. Kate, open the file. Yeah. And view wrap, dynamic wrap. Scan types. So what I'm looking for. Last scan types. I should have coordinates in them, shouldn't I? This event is, which one is it? FSD jump event. Last FSD jump event was... there it is, FSD jump event. It's this line right here. Position, yes, it has position. These are the coordinates. And we don't have them recorded. That's not good. Why did that happen? Jump event, blah 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 blah. So yeah, primary star set XYZ, primary star position, set current location ID, body ID. And do we record primary star anywhere? Yeah, blah blah blah. Traffic DTOs, other shit. What, I didn't record it? Really? How did it work before? second grab. What's the mystery? And here, saved locations. And I did change that one to the database implementation, that's right. But I've never been to this system before, so I don't have that location, which means this thing needs to return. If I don't have one, it needs to create a new one. And it doesn't work like it used to anymore because I changed the class. That's where the problem is. Alright.
Incoming message.
And that will be our fleet carrier, isn't it? Yes, that's the fleet carrier. Jump complete. Okay. So if we don't have that location, we'll make a new one. We will instantiate it with unknown because I have no idea what it is. Ah, hold on, I already have that thing. What do I do with this object? So if location is null, then instantiate it with body ID. I don't need that. Hold on, I already have that. So primary star, if I don't have location, create a new location with the body ID, otherwise use location DTO. Yes, set body ID. So that should actually keep working as it used to. The other thing to do is to put the debug point here, jump to the next system, stop at the debugger, walk through this and see what's happening. I guess I'll do that, but let's first grab the samples.
Systems online. Count. Organic sample detected. Fungoides. First out of 3 required. Keep 300 meters between samples. Count. We're far enough to grab the next biosample. Hay count. Sample collected for fungoida. Count, we're far enough to snag the next biosample.
Red star, red atmosphere, red planet. It's a galactic bordello.
Hay count. Organic scans for fungoida are complete. Red everywhere? Sounds like a fiery spot, Count. Count. Organic sample detected. Genus Alioida. Species Laminii. First of 3 required. Space samples 150 meters apart. Vista Genomics pays 3,385,200 credits, plus 13,540,800 bonus for first discovery. Hey Count, we're far enough for the next biosample. Hey Count, sample collected for Alioida. Hey Krondor, we're now far enough to take the next biosample. Hey Count, organic scans for Alioida are complete.
Are there any other species on this planet that we still have to scan?
Analyzing exobiology data. Stand by. Now Count, we've scanned all species on D1.
Alright, requesting extraction. now we do save this location right here.
Error processing response.
Let's put the debugger's point in here. Jump to the next system and see what is going on. I still have any brain left for today. It's been a long day. If not, I'll do it tomorrow. Definitely I'm not going to post it until back to the repository while there are bugs in it, but here we go.
Systems online.
Retract the landing gear, please. Enter Super Cruise.
Frameshift drive charging. 3, 2, 1, engage.
Select the next system en route. Jump.
Frameshift drive charging.
Takeout, we're cruising through hyperspace to Lysuch Romeo Quebec - Yankee Charlie 25, a K-class fuel star.
Okay. So let me point the ship away from the stun. And let's look at the debugger, what we got in here. Okay, first of all, saved locations. Of course nothing, because we've never been here before. That's expected. Bam, that's why. Okay. And the exception is good old null pointers. Oh, what else could it be? Of course it's a null pointer. Because I'm no locations and I'm doing safe locations that get something by body ID. Of course it's not going to work. Idiot! I've been staring at it and not seeing it. It's like the next day if I watch the world, it's like, you idiot, it's line 51, you cretin. Alright, so what needs to happen here is that if locations is null or locations is empty. No. Saved locations is empty. Then we are going to create a new location, otherwise get the location from the saved locations. Alright, I'm pretty sure the rest of it did not change.
Systems online.
Open FSS. Nice balls again.
Haha, thanks, Grondor. What's up? Hey count, A3 in Lysuch Romeo Quebec Yankee Charlie 2 5 packs 3 biosignals. Hey count, Lysuch Romeo Quebec Yankee Charlie 2 5s A2 shows 3 biosignals.
System scan complete.
Open local map. And run the biome analysis on the planets that exhibit live signals.
Analyzing planetary and biome data. Stand by. Count, A2 and A3 show biosignals. Matches, Frutexa, Tubus, Stratum for both.
Or bacteria, no doubt.
Say again?
I say if it's not tubus, it's bacteria, isn't it?
Say again?
Did I disable a chat feature?
Nah, chat's still enabled, count.
Well, in that case, probably text-to-speech isn't text-to-speeching as usual.
Say again?
Yeah,
Voice
look,
input disabled.
text-to-speech is doing something really stupid, as if it is not too busy bacteria, isn't it? Of course, the LLM thinks, what the fuck are you talking about? Text-to-speech. Is my mic really that bad? Or is my accent really that bad? But text-to-speech is dumb. Hey, slow down for planetary approach. Speed +1.
Surface scan complete.
Krondor, surface scan complete, efficiency target met. Hey count, biological signals detected. 3 exobiology hits, bacterium stratum, tussock. Projected payout 15,250,000 credits, plus 61 million credit first discovery bonus.
Orbital flight engaged.
Hey count, entering orbit for A2, gravity 0.15 G, atmosphere carbon dioxide, surface temp 173 Kelvin, about minus 100 Celsius, 11 materials, detected, details on request.
Name 3 most common materials on this planet.
Analyzing geological data, stand by. Count, top 3 materials here. Iron, nickel, sulfur.
What were the bioforms on this planet again?
Analyzing exobiology data. Stand by. Count, the bioforms on this planet are bacterium, stratum, and tussock.
Transfer power to shields, please. Well, I don't see any so far.
Count, yeah, slim picking so far. Keep scanning.
Deploy landing gear.
Say again?
Deploy landing gear.
Touchdown.
Deploy SRV. And turn off the lights.
Low gravity warning.
Hey Krondor, new codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological category. Tussock Cerati. Green. Samples are 200 meters apart. Vista Genomics pays 5,250,000 credits for a full set of 3, plus 20,750,000 first discovery bonus. Count. Organic sample detected. Tussock Cerati. First out of 3 required. Keep them 200 meters apart. Hey Count, we're far enough to grab the next bio sample. Count. Sample collected for tussock. Hey Grondor, we're far enough to grab the next bio sample. Count. Organic scans for tussock are complete.
Requesting extraction. Transfer power to engines. Retract the landing gear. Enter Supercruise.
Frameshift drive charging. 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Switch to analysis mode. Transfer power to shields.
Hey count. Codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological. Stratum tectonicus. Lime. Samples 500 meters apart. Voucher 2,500 credits. Vista Genomics pays 6,104,451 for a complete set of 3, plus 24,417,807 first discovery bonus. Hey count. Codex entry for Bacterium oricis. Green in biological and geological. Samples 500 meters apart. Vista Genomics pays 4 million credits for 3 samples, plus 16 million first discovery bonus. Hey count. Heads up on a new Codex entry, biological and geological category, Bacterium oricis, green. Hey count. Codex entry unlocked, biological and geological, Stratum tectonicus, lime.
Lower the landing gear.
Codex update, biological and geological category, Bacterium oricis, green.
Landing gear deployed.
Touchdown!
Deploy SRV. Turn off the lights.
Low gravity warning.
Count. Organic sample detected. Stratum tectonicus. First of 3 required. Keep samples 500 meters apart.
Alright, let's see if your navigation is working. Navigate to the nearest Codex entry.
Navigating to Stratum tectonicus, lime. Surface navigation. Distance 1.2 kilometers. Bearing 40 degrees. Getting closer. Distance 999 meters. Bearing 39 degrees.
Dismiss the ship.
Getting closer. Distance 733 meters. Bearing 38 degrees. Hey count. We're far enough to grab the next biosample. Getting closer. Distance 490 meters. Bearing 28 degrees. Getting closer.
Cancel the navigation. I have the visual.
Bearing 31 degrees. Navigation guidance off. Count. Sample collected for stratum.
Navigate the next Codex entry, please.
Navigating to Stratum tectonicus, lime. Surface navigation. Distance 1.6 kilometers. Bearing 328 degrees. Getting closer. Distance 1.5 kilometers. Bearing 325 degrees. Hit count. New codex entry. Biological and geological. Bacterium Orisu's green. Getting closer. Distance, 1.2 kilometers. Bearing, 318 degrees. Hey, Krondor, we're far enough to snag the next biosample.
Alright, I attacked those codex centers a bit too far from one another.
Those codex sites are scattered, huh? We could hit the closest one first.
Already done.
Count. Organic scans for stratum are complete. Say again.
Recall the ship.
Hey, Krondor. Organic sample detected. Bacterium Orisus. First of 3 required. Space them 500 meters apart. Vista Genomics pays 1 million credits, plus 4 million bonus for first discovery. Touchdown. Count, we're good to grab that next biosample now. Hey, Krondor, we're too close to the previous biosample.
Alright, board the ship.
Hey, Count, we're far enough for the next biosample. Touchdown! Sample collected for bacterium count.
What's the current range of our fleet carrier?
Analyzing fleet carrier data. Stand by. Count. Our range is 5,500 light years. Hey Krondor, we're far enough to grab that next biosample. Touchdown!
Analyze our fleet carrier route. Tell me how long it will take to get to the final destination. If one jump takes 20 minutes, return data in hours and minutes.
Count. Organic scans for bacterium are complete. Analyzing fleet carrier data. Stand by. Count. It'll take 13 hours 40 minutes.
Enter Super Cruise.
Frameshift drive charging. 3, 2, 1, engage.
Let's get out of here.
Frameshift drive charging.
Krondor, we're cruising through hyperspace to Lysuch Zulu Charlie Dash Victor Charlie 2-9, a K-class fuel star. No traffic or incidents logged.
Fuel swapping.
Hyperspace jump successful. Krondor traveled 70.809 light years to Lysuch Zulu Charlie Dash Victor Charlie 2-9. M-Star, fuel scoop ready. Next stop, Lysuch India Yankee Dash Kilo Bravo 8-1. 4 jumps remaining to Lysuch India Papa Dash Yankee Bravo 14-3. Congrats, you're the first here.
How far are we from the bubble?
Analyzing travel telemetry. Stand by. Count. We're 8,083 light years from the bubble.
Fuel swapping complete.
Open FSS and scan. Thank you. I'll do the rest.
Say again?
Oh, never mind. You're not chatty today, are you?
Say again? Voice input disabled.
Which LLM I'm on? I might have actually turned the temperature down. Okay, so what I wanted to see is that sessions thing. Okay, so current location is 2. So ID is 2. Primary star coordinates, yes, so that did fix the problem. But that is all going to migrate into the SQLite database from the JSON file. because this is becoming an unwieldy JSON file. It's like you changed one field in here and the whole thing has to be rewritten. You can lose data that way really easily, so I'll have to refactor all of the session precision. It will be SQLite based. It'll take about a week or so. Yeah, maybe less.
Hey Krondor, picked up one biosignal on AB2 here.
How far are we from the fleet carrier?
Analyzing travel telemetry. Stand by. Count. We're 779 light years from Lone Wolf at BYOA, your Mike Alpha, dash Whiskey Bravo 29-9. 11 jumps needed. Hey count. Lysuch Zulu Charlie dash Victor Charlie 2-9 3C shows 2 biosignals. Hey count. Lysuch Zulu Charlie dash Victor Charlie 2-9 system. Body 4 Alpha has 4 biosignals. Hey my lord. Lysuch Zulu Charlie dash Victor Charlie 2-9 C4 has 1 biological signal. Count. C1 has 1 biosignal. New terraformable planet. C2. Details available on request. New terraformable planet. AB3. Details available on request.
System scan complete.
New terraformable planet. AB1. Details available on request.
Open local map. Around biome analysis on the planets that have biosignals on them.
Analyzing planetary and biome data. Stand by. Count. Planets with biosignals. C1 matches stratum. C3 matches Frutexa and Tussock. C4 matches Bacterium. C4A matches Tussock. AB2 matches stratum.
Optimize our approach speed, please. Alright, that's close enough. Slow down for planetary approach.
Surface scanned by 50%. Surface scan complete.
Hay count, surface scan complete. Efficiency excellent, only 2 probes used out of 4.
Alright, let's try orbital navigation. Navigate to 45.375 latitude,
4 exobiology hits.
75.73 longitude.
Average payout around 22 million credits, plus 87,750,000 first discovery bonus. Starting navigation to latitude, 45.375, longitude, 75.73.
Orbital flight.
Orbital navigation, distance, 5,049 kilometers, bearing, 319 degrees. On course, distance, 2,954 kilometers, bearing, 310 degrees. On course, distance, 2,155 kilometers, bearing, 304 degrees. On course, distance, 1158 kilometers, bearing, 300 degrees. Glide angle, -22. Distance, 473 kilometers, bearing, 300 degrees. Moving away, distance, 214 kilometers, bearing, 308 degrees.
Alright, I overshot it. Turn on the night vision.
Moving away, distance, 89 kilometers, bearing, 347 degrees. Moving away, distance, 107 kilometers, bearing, 323 degrees.
Gotcha. Okay, I overshot. I'll do it again.
Moving away, distance, 170 kilometers, bearing, 298 degrees. Gotcha count. Shake it off and keep scanning. Moving away, distance, 399 kilometers, bearing, 284 degrees. Moving away, distance, 472 kilometers, bearing, 289 degrees. Moving away, distance, 430 kilometers, bearing, 292 degrees.
Okay, I cocked that up. My bad.
No sweat, my lord. Happens to us all.
Let's try that again.
Say again? On course. Distance 6,617 kilometers. Bearing 72 degrees. On course. Distance 4,152 kilometers. Bearing 76 degrees. On course. Distance 3,753 kilometers. Bearing 76 degrees. On course. Distance 3,568 kilometers. Bearing 76 degrees. On course. Distance 3,195 kilometers. Bearing 75 degrees. On course. Distance 2,777 kilometers. Bearing 75 degrees. On course. Distance 2063 kilometers. Bearing 75 degrees. Glide angle -38. Distance 446 kilometers. Bearing 56 degrees. Glide angle -55. Distance 149 kilometers. Bearing 13 degrees. Moving away. Distance 92 kilometers. Bearing 333 degrees. Surface navigation. Distance 97 kilometers. Bearing 301 degrees. Getting closer. Distance 87 kilometers. Bearing 285 degrees. Voice input disabled.
Okay, so I need to look at the navigator, because there's a huge gap between 2000 and then announcement of the glide angle. So by the time the glide angle is announced, plus the speech to text, text to speech saying lag, it's too late and the glide angle is too steep. So this has to be adjusted between the orbital cruise and when we dive for the glide. I'll have to do some mathing around for that. Cancel navigation.
Say again?
Cancel navigation.
Getting closer. Distance 79 kilometers. Bearing 285 degrees. Navigation guidance off.
Transfer power to engines. Enter Super Cruise.
Frameshift drive charging. 3, 2, 1, engage.
Oh. That was me pushing the wrong button. I having that happen.
Gotcha, no sweat.
Let's do that again. Let's go.
Say again?
Turn off the night vision, please. turn off the night vision. There we go.
Yeah, smooth.
There seemed to be a lag to LLM today. No, there was a huge network outage in the world.
Yeah, plenty to check out today, Count. Yeah, that outage was rough. Glad we're back online now, my lord.
You know anything about it? Do you know anything about the network outage that took out a whole bunch of websites a couple of days ago?
Orbital flight engaged.
Nah, Count. I'm tuned to star charts and jump data, not Earth-side outages. No clue on that one.
Lucky you.
Hey, Count. Entering orbit for C4A. Gravity 0.19 G. Atmosphere carbon dioxide. 11 materials detected. Details on request. Surface temp 175 Kelvin, about minus 98 Celsius. Tidally locked. Yeah, lucky us, Count.
Alright, transfer all power to engines now. Actually, transfer power to shields, I meant. Yeah, and drop that landing gear too.
Landing gear deployed.
Touchdown!
System shutdown?
Say again?
System shutdown.
Shutting down systems.
Alright, see what we got today. So this class gotten really nice and small now. All that disappeared from it. It's a database initializer thingy. Gradle for the SQLite. Database impl. Pretty simple. I had to figure out what to do with this unfortunate thing. Really dangerous star map has encoded materials and materials, but does not understand difference between materials and raw materials when you pull data from it. And the events in the game do make that distinction, so I have to come up with a kind of mechanism to sanitize that data before I write it to the local database. Otherwise it might lead to all kinds of bugs. That's all the changes to space in there, alright. Yeah, that writes in a database now. Instead of a JSON file. This got completely refactored. That's location history data access object without oh yeah, that's the new invocation for the thing. That also changed from JSON to this got deleted, no longer needed. This, so the Elite Dangerous star map understands materials, data, and all, but the game understands raw, manufactured, and coded. Go figure, those are the commands that face LLM. And the subscriber for the start of the jump is changed. I'm not going to commit any of it today because I need to double check all of this on the fresh head and get rid of most of this in the session JSON, if not all of it. Maybe store all of it in a relational database instead. Because if application gets killed while this file is being written, half of this data is gone next time you start the app and suddenly it doesn't know where you're at. You ask it the questions like, I don't have data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 biosamples we can sell with the cache, and I wonder if I should continue to the center of the galaxy or go back to the bubble and test out the features in the bubble. Hang on, let me see if this still works. It'll be ridiculous, but why not? Let's try that.
Systems online.
Find me a raw material trader within 10,000 light years.
Searching for raw material traders. Stand by. Head to Arubat star system. When you get there, looks for Francisco de Almeida landing. Data was last updated 20 days, 1 hours, 18 minutes ago. Route set.
Find a nearest fleet carrier within 10,000 light years.
Searching for nearest fleet carrier with public access within 10,000 light years. Stand by. Found fleet carrier KLX-40T at 285 sector JBCB 14-1. Data last updated 17 hours 22 minutes ago. Route set.
Find us a star system where we can mine some fleet carrier fuel.
Searching for carrier fuel mining site within 1,000 light years. Stand by. Route set.
Alright, shut down the systems.
Shutting down systems.
Alright, searches are working. That's good. I did not break that, at least. That's good news. Okie, I will continue work on the code tomorrow. I'm not going to post it until I test all of that, of course. But it's way too late and I gotta go to bed. Thank you for hanging out, guys. It's Elite Intel, an open source project for Elite Dangerous. It runs on Linux, Windows, Mac, your toaster, your toilet, whatever. Runs on anything because it's written in Java. It is available on the GitHub. The link is in the description. Free to use, free to install. What isn't free is the keys for the speech to text and the LLM. It's got a wiki with all kinds of information about it. It's got instructions on how to install. It's super simple to install on Windows and even simpler to install on Linux. And that's it. I gotta go to bed. Bye bye. Thank you for the company.